Today I will share with you my favorite products of October. So maybe I can give you some inspiration and yeah, let's check it out. Hi, my name is Linda, and if you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. So today we're gonna check out my products I really enjoyed during October. We have anything from like makeup to luxury bag or like some spiritual stuff. So it's a mix of all things I like right now. So let's look into my favorites right now. I thought I could show you my bag I'm using the most right now and my wallet, because that is two things that is always with me. And if you been following me, this is no surprise. My absolute most used bag for October is this. It's my Mulberry Alexa Mini, and I love it. It's so useful and so versatile, and she's so pretty. So this is a really favorite. I think I would do a what's in my bag for you. That one is upcoming, so stay tuned to check it out. And for my wallet, I've been using this, and this is my Louis Vuitton card holder. And if you can see here, it's the one with the fuchsia here. And I think it's beautiful. It's it fits 4 cards. I have my driver's license and a card here and 1 card on each side. If I squeeze, I think I could put some of the cards in, but I don't want to stretch it too much because this is perfect. So this is all I carry with me. I don't know if you know, but Sweden is like the most cashless country in the world. So we don't use cash anymore. We just use credit cards, and we also have something called Swish, and that's you pay with your phone. Even between like person to person, you pay via your phone. So that's pretty nice. It's not so nice when the computer system don't work, but otherwise it works really great. So let's look into some of my beauty products I've been using the most in October. This is an oldie. If you've been following me, you know I got it in the beginning of summer and I love it. I thought this was just like a BB cream I would use during the warm summer month, but now we are soon in November and I'm still loving it. I think it takes away the redness, and I have the fair to medium, and that works perfect with my skin tone. So usually I just put some here over my redness, so I can leave the forehead and down here without any coverage, and I love it. But sometimes you want some more coverage. This is really light coverage, but I do really like it. Next up is this hand cream. And this hand cream is from Under Your Skin, and it's Tistel and Yuzu, and I think it's really nice for my hands, and I love it when it's, I don't know if it's so good for the environment, but I love it. It's like a metallic little this one. So I think it's so gorgeous, and I do carry it in my bag. The little concern I have, if it got some cracks, it might leak into my bag. That would not be so nice. But anyway, I love it. I think it's a great cream, and it's a keeper. So I look at my friend Laura, and she always has so much inspiration for like perfume and stuff. For me, I haven't been using that much perfume the last couple of years. So for me, I try to keep it down with the perfume nowadays. And I do like this. This is essential oils. And I make them in little rollers you can roll on your skin. And right now, my favorite, I make them with sesame oil, and then I use really pure, good essential oils. You choose the brand you like. And right now I have been using one with cypress, vanilla and bergamot. That is a great combination, and I call it the Goddess Glow. So you just put it a little bit here. And since it's no alcohol in it, you really need to put it on a couple of times a day. But I don't see this as a problem. I do really like it, and it works. And you get also the benefits from the essential oils. So that's a great tip. Try to do your own perfume. It's not that hard. And you can also do it with like distilled water, put some alcohol in it, and you can just spray it. Next up is this sad little thing. Look at my nails. But actually I'm using this. It's the Essie, and it's the Soulmate. I think it's a beautiful color. It's really deep burgundy color. I think it's beautiful for autumn, and I've been using it pretty much all September, all October. And right now I need to put on some new. This is favorite. I do like Essie nail polish. They stick on the nails really good. The last beauty product I have is this lip gloss. It's a liquid lipstick, and it's from Kaja Cosmetic. It's a Swedish brand, pretty new, like 5 years maybe. And this is pretty nice, and it's also this one I wear on my lips. I know, I think it's a really nice nude, and with some little pinkish in it, and I really like it. And these are so good because they are dry, they stick on the lips, but sometimes with liquid lipstick they get really, I feel like all stiff, like I can't talk. But this is not the case with this one. It's really good, and yeah, it keeps your lips soft. So yeah, I do love it. I think I will, now I have used this pretty nice, I don't know, since it came out, and yeah, I'm a little bit tired of it. I might look into some with more pinkish tones or lighter tones, but I still like it. So that was the last like beauty product. Now I really need to talk about the book. This one, in Sweden we call it 1% Method, and in English it's Atomic Habits. I've been reading this book a few times, and I come back to it time over time since I got it. I believe I bought this in 2021, and I'm coming back to it from time to time. So haven't you read this book? as I said, in English it's Atomic Habit. I really recommend you to do it. Yes, it's a great book and it can really change your life, I believe. I think it's a great book. So, tip of the day. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about our insides. So, I do love like spirituality, and I love working with your inner self and your body and everything. So I do believe in like working with your inner self. The whole person is a whole person. You can't just treat one symptom. You need to look at the person in a holistic way. So I do really love working with some things to help me. And one thing I'm using is crystals. So right now I have this beautiful selenite touchstone, and it fits perfectly into my palm, and I like having this one while meditating and connecting with my inner self. So if you're new to that, please try it. Meditation is a really like a highway to yourself, so it's a great tip, I believe. And I do love crystals in every size and color, and they are so beautiful. The next thing I've been doing quite a lot, or more than I have been using this year, because it's been crazy. Anyway, I'm coming back more and more to ceremonial cacao, and I think that is a great place just to be connected with your inner self and the high spirit. And I have here, I can show you, there is a little cacao bean or plant. This is look like chocolate, and it's kind of chocolate. Yeah, you can't see it, but this one you just take a knife and chop it out, and you put it in water or some plant milk or something, and then you drink it during meditation or having a little ceremony for yourself. There are plenty of them online if you are interested. And I also attended some physical, and that's amazing, just to be in a group with people, just drinking cacao, singing. And I do believe it's okay. It's okay both to like ceremonial cacao and luxury. I think that's a great combination actually. So for clothes and shoes for October, I just have 3 pieces because I'm rocking pretty much the same stuff. So for shoes, I've been rocking my Adidas Samba quite a lot, and that's because I'm wearing pants with wider, and I think it's pretty hard to have a shoe that fits. Or I have like in the office I have, you know, with a jacket and like a suit on or something sometimes, then I think it's really nice to just space it up to not be too formal. So my Adidas Samba, I love them. I tried to get the burgundy ones and I couldn't find them, so I did ending up buying another brand, and I do love them as well. But these, been rocking these so much. Next up for shoes is these loafers. It's like a chunky loafer, and these are from the brand Vagabond. I do love Vagabond as a shoe brand, and they always fit my feet so nice. But these I don't know if they are a little bit too big, but they are not as comfy as other Vagabond shoes. They are still okay, and I love them, but they are a little bit if I walk like a ton. I have something here that's just nagging on my foot, and also they are a little bit big, but I might try a sole or something in it. But I do love them, and these are also so good with like wider pants. And for clothes, I'm really surprised, but it's actually this sweater. I bought it last month, and I've been rocking this pretty much. I think it's nice with jeans, it's nice with skirt, it works well with just a black straight pants, and yeah, I love it. And it's a great combination when you want to be a little bit more casual, just spice it up with like black pants or something. So that's it. So that was my favorite I've been rocking this October. I really hope you liked this video. So I really hope you enjoy this little video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like, and I would like to hear what are your favorites for October. So leave a comment down below, and yeah, stay tuned because more content is coming up really soon. So I hope you will have a fabulous day, night or evening, wherever you are, and I really hope to see you soon again. So bye bye.